The purpose of this module is to describe the outdoor installation procedure for a 1+1 MPT HC link. The procedure can be divided into two phases. The coupler on the ground. The second phase concerns the installation of the assembly on the pole mounting. First, let's see how to prepare the MPTs. Start by setting the polarization to the H position in order to match that of the coupler ports. Remember that this does not define the resulting link polarization. Insert the SFP module in the RPS port. Perform the same operations for the second MPT. Now, the MPTs are ready to be installed on the coupler. Check the polarization of the coupler and modify it if necessary. Then, put the silicone grease on the O-rings. Now, install the two MPTs on the coupler and secure them by using the 4 hooks. Finally, place the EMF stickers on the solar shield to have the assembly ready to be mounted on the pole. This concludes the first phase of the outdoor installation. The second phase concerns the installation of the assembly on the pole, assuming that the antenna has already been installed. First, lubricate the antenna O-ring using the silicone grease. Then, install the coupler on the antenna and secure it by locking the 4 hooks. After that, connect the RPS optical cable between both RPS ports. And finish by connecting one grounding cable to each MPT. The installation is now complete.